In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Google storage and choose the right storage plan through Google One. Whether you're dealing with an overflowing inbox or a growing collection of digital memories, Google One offers a solution that can help you organize and expand your digital space seamlessly. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to https://one.google.com/storage to get a clear picture of where you stand with your current storage usage. This page will break down how much of your storage is being used by Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. It's always important to start with a snapshot of your storage usage, as it will help guide your decision making when choosing the right plan for your needs. Understanding if most of your space is consumed by emails, photos, or files can help you determine what needs organizing or where you might need more capacity. Next, you'll want to open up Google One by visiting https://one.google.com about. For those unfamiliar, Google One is Google's official storage management service, offering streamlined access and a variety of storage plans to fit different needs. This service is all about making it easy to manage your files, optimize space, and ensure you're never caught off guard by a lack of storage. Once you're on the Google One page, it's time to choose a storage plan that fits your specific needs. As of 2025, Google One offers a range of options. If you're someone who only needs a bit more space, the 100 GB plan might be perfect and is quite affordable. This is ideal for light users who mainly use storage for emails and a few additional files. For those who find themselves handling a moderate volume of emails, photos, and files on Google Drive, the 200 GB plan serves as a nice middle ground. Heavier users such as content creators or small businesses may find the 2 TB plan more suitable. And for those with very high storage needs, there are the 10 TB, 20 TB, and even 30 TB plans available. Each plan is designed to give you peace of mind knowing there's ample space for everything you need. To move forward with your chosen plan, simply click on Get Started or Upgrade. Then select the plan that best suits your situation and click Next. You'll be prompted to choose a payment method, whether that's via credit card, PayPal, or other local payment options available to you. Once you've completed the purchase, you'll receive a confirmation, and just like that, your Gmail and Google account storage will be increased immediately. Finally, it's important to know how to manage your newly expanded storage efficiently. Regularly check back on your storage levels and use Google's tools to clear out unnecessary items and keep your space optimized. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure a smooth and stress-free digital experience with Google One. Thank you for tuning in, and happy storing!